Okay, I finished turning that on the lathe and I've drilled a couple of 5.5mm holes there, so that will mount on the cross sled itself. Now what I've got to do is drill a hole down here and tap 6mm so I can put a grub screw in there, so that will then fasten the boss to the shaft of the motor. I'm going to use a set of parallels on there so I know that it's nice and flat and even and not twisted in the jaws. Then using the feeler gauge technique, I'll get it pretty well spot on. So that's the centre. I'm going to wind it in a little bit and that should do me. And I'm drilling a 5mm hole so I can tap a 1mm pitch 6mm tap. With the WD-40. Till I hit the void. And I'm through. Here we go with the tap. Just started off. I'll take it over to the vise. Have the soft jaws in there so it doesn't ruin it. Not that it really matters. Just nice. All the chooks have come in and say good day. Who said I'm not popular? Look at this. See, it's going to start working. Here they come. Anyway. Back to what I was doing. And that is through. Little grub screw. And when I put that on the shaft of the motor, I'll tighten it up on the flat spot and it will hold the drive. Okay, now the grub screw's in, I'm going to put the boss under the drive wheel. Now, I should have put washers there, but it's not going to go that fast. There's not much torque, so I don't think it's going to loosen. But if it does, that's okay. I'll just take it out and put washers on. And to fit it, again, I'll put a fibre washer in here too, I think. So that's it. Now I've got to wire the electrics up and we should be good to go. Okay, there's the control box. A little bit ugly at the moment, but we'll see if it works. What I wanted to do was forward and reverse on these side buttons, but at the moment what I'm using is a forward and reverse switch, which I prefer these buttons because as soon as I let go, I'll work on that down the track. So let's see how it goes. That's my neighbour mowing his lawn. He seems to know whenever I'm recording. that in there. Plug the power source in. What I'm going to do is mount this up here, so I've actually got control over what I'm doing. That's a nice speed there, I think. So was it a success? Yes, I think it was. Gives me a power feed. Now I can do tapers on without having to mess around just doing the little bits and pieces with those two little handles. So what I've got a bracket on here, and I'll mount this onto there so the whole unit can sit like that. And then when I don't want to use it, all I have to do is loosen that, take the unit away, and just use the lathe as normally. I will set it up very shortly in the next couple of days, and we'll actually turn a taper with it as well. So that's it. How to get your cross slide automated. A little bit of thinking, a little bit of playing around. I bought this DC motor and assembly off of AliExpress, and the rest of it was just rubbish had lying around. So there you go, woodworking masterclass electronics. What can I say? That's a 12 volt feed I've got at the moment. I'm just using a battery charger. So I've got this transformer, which I might wire in later on, but at the moment this old battery charger I've got here does just fine, and I've got a lot of battery chargers hanging around. So that's it. Woodworking, metalworking, electronics. Where are we going to stop? I'm going to pull the pin at gardening, I think, because I'm not real good at gardening. Anyway, this is Steve pulling the shed door down and saying, remember, keep it sharp, keep it safe, keep it lubricated, keep it spinning, and whichever shed we're in, we're going to be making chips, whether they're timber or metal. Hopefully, next video I'm down in the woodworking shed and we can get some real woodworking done. Till then, look after yourselves, be kind to each other, and I look forward to having your company in the workshop, at a workbench again, very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.